All right, we're about to go live in a few seconds.
Hello, everybody. My name is Michael Bissell. I am a third-year student here at NC State. I'm also with
Thomas Armstrong. I'm a third-year student at NC State as well.
And we're coming to you live to talk with the top winners from the 2020 Lulu eGames here at NC State's annual startup competition. And we're also blessed with the presence of the founders of Saphai. Thank you all so much for your time. And we just want to say congratulations again on your big win in the eGames this year. And let's jump right in with the introduction from you guys.
Take it away.
Hi, everyone. My name is Maddie Mall. I'm a senior at NC State studying chemical engineering, and I am CEO for Saphai.
Hi, guys. I'm Cameron. I'm currently a third-year student studying mechanical engineering, and I am Saphai COO.
Hi, my name is Jack. I am a senior studying ECE and economics, and I'm Saphai's CFO.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a senior studying chemical engineering, and I am our CTO.
And hi, I'm Jaspal Singh. I'm a senior in electrical engineering and economics. I'm Saphai's CMO.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So we've got some questions here for you. Super excited. But we're also going to be taking some questions from the audience. So if you're in the audience, please feel free to leave a question in the comments, and we'll select some questions towards the end of the show that we can ask our wonderful people here with us. So tell us a little bit more about your venture. You know, what problem are you trying to solve?
Well, basically the problem that we're trying to solve is dirty exterior surfaces. So especially if you live in North Carolina, in the last couple of weeks, you know that surfaces get dirty very quickly. So that's your house, your car, windows, etc. And to address that constant struggle, our product is a sprayable coating that will go on transparent and convert nearly any surface to be self-cleaning. And self-cleaning using the sun's UV radiation and rainwater that occurs naturally. So that's obviously going to save you the recurring cost of cleaning services like the pressure washing industry, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. It'll save the chemicals, the bleaches and surfactants that are used in cleaning those exterior surfaces. And obviously it'll save the time and the worry that goes into cleaning and keeping exterior surfaces looking tidy and looking good. So the sprayability of our coating is actually something that makes it a post-manufacturing technology, which is something that's not really on the market right now. So the big self-cleaning technologies right now are self-cleaning windows, and that's pretty much it. So those have to be treated with the self-cleaning coating during manufacturing. So the ability to spray afterwards saves us the need to have big bulky machinery that applies the coating, which saves money and can be reapplied as well.
So with that being said, what would you all say your biggest need is right now, or your next big step that you're currently working towards? And how will your winnings from the eGames help you guys get there?
Well, to further develop Saphai and develop our product, we're going to need lab space. Before we had the privilege of using NC State's lab space, and that was great for the beginning of Saphai. That being said, now that we're all graduating, we're going to need to find another one, and this will be one of the highest priorities for our winnings, and is something that we're looking into right now.
Awesome, thank you. So one of the questions I had was, what aspects of your business are the most challenging to convey or kind of polish up, during a competition like this?
So, like Alex talked about, our coding is materials based and based on chemistry. So, one of our biggest challenges for Lulu eGames and the other work that we've done thus far is conveying that chemistry information to make our product realistic and so that people can understand the technical aspect of it without thinking, oh, it's just magic. And so being able to kind of convey that in a way that people that aren't interested in chemistry or aren't chemistry experts can understand. We've also gotten mixed feedback about how much of that to include, so kind of balancing that and being able to kind of come up with a presentable way for that information was really challenging for us. And also, since the coding is one of its main properties is that it's transparent, so you can use it on exterior surfaces without realizing or seeing that it's there, is one of the huge properties of it. And so that makes it really challenging to present and convey our prototyping work. It's like, here we have this awesome slide that's transparent. And so that was a challenging to convey it. And we kind of had to get creative with how we were taking pictures in the lab and presenting that information for the eGames competition.
Great response. Thank you. Moving on from that, was there any aspect of your business that you now know you need to work on due to the judges' feedback?
Yeah, definitely. So the judges were asking us about our target markets and target customers. And we actually have a very good problem right now because we're all very excited to work on this exciting technology. And we have to decide what the best market is. So originally our idea was, okay, this is self-cleaning, so just anything that needs to be cleaned. We were thinking windows and outdoor surfaces mainly. That's still what we're looking at as a possible beachhead market. But there's all of these other applications we're discovering that could be really great too. One example is the solar industry has a problem of buildup on the solar panels of debris, lowering efficiency and also causing hotspots. And our technology is actually perfect for that problem. And there's even more applications if you kind of think outside the box and start thinking of indoor applications. We could set up UV lamps and have this be antiviral, like with everything going on right now with the virus, we see an opportunity there potentially, and just cleaning surfaces inside if you do it right. So we have all these possible markets, and right now we have to do the research to figure out what the best option is.
Cool. It's exciting stuff.
Seriously though.
Yeah. So, personal question for me, like, what is it that made this something that your team felt really passionate about pursuing? Kind of what was the motivation behind wanting to address this need?
So this idea was kind of born out of some of my research experience at NC State and at NYU. So working with nanoparticle coatings was something that I had done a lot in my research. And then I actually worked on synthesizing titanium nanoparticles at NYU. So together, those two ideas sort of, when thinking about it, formed into this concept, which obviously with the team has grown and evolved immensely over the last year. And we kind of can see so many different ways that it's applicable and could help. So we're excited about it.
Love it.
That is exciting to hear. You guys have reason to be excited. Just one personal question for myself. You guys seems like you have a variety of backgrounds. So I was just wondering how you all got together and formed this team and made it a venture that you all wanted to pursue.
Cameron, do you want to talk about the EEP?
Yeah, so we're actually all from the Engineering Entrepreneurs Program. So it's kind of the entrepreneurship senior design for engineers. So that's kind of how we all met. I personally knew Maddie through Engineering Ambassadors, and she had a couple other connections across the team. So I was kind of the odd one out coming in, but we definitely have brought together a really great, diverse team.
Yeah, seriously, that's awesome. Looks like it.
Love it. Well, I think that is just about all the time that we have today. Want to thank everybody from Saphai for being here, and just congratulations again on all of your hard work and your success in the 2020 Lulu eGames. Want to just say thank you so much for being a part of today and making the time. Want to thank everybody from NC State Entrepreneurship for making this happen. I know it's not easy getting everybody together, especially when it's virtual. So thank you for that. And thanks to all the people who tuned in on Facebook. So our next interview will be coming up here shortly. But yeah, thank you so much and have a great day.
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.